This is 2022 Ford Transit customer purchase on Android radio. Somebody tried to put this one in. Now nothing works, so we're gonna find out what they did to it and see if they can make this one working. First thing we're gonna do is behind this radio display, there is a little plate here. Underneath there's screws, so we're gonna take that plate out to access the screws. Just pry that little plate out. Under part of it, there's a 3 screws here.
¿Me prestas un 7,000?
I have 3 screws. 7 screws there. Remove that. And this thing pops out like that. Behind here, there are 2 screws here. We're going to remove them. Disconnect that. What happened? All right. Now, after that, you just simply pull this entire faceplate out like this. No special trick. Now, so after you get this faceplate out, there are screws there, same 7 mils, and I think there's 6 of them there.
5, 5,
Maybe 4.
6.
So if you have it out, this plastic comes out. The reason that we are taking this out is get to this tuner pack. That's where the actual harness is. Okay. So that plugs into this main harness. Basically, all harnesses are plug and play. There's 2 white wires, a CAN bus. Be sure to connect that.
This is the camera.
Yes, need. We're gonna have to disconnect this to mount it, but we want to make sure that radio works. Since the factory didn't work, we're gonna find out why the factory didn't work. We have no power so far on this constant wire. It must have a blown fuse somewhere. That movie. This doesn't support factory backup cam, so he has to put an aftermarket cam on it. Okay, I'm just gonna make everything working. Wait, the antenna. The antenna has to Okay, let's just shove it in and everything should be fine.
Try the, what is it?
You can try Carplay. This plastic here hitting the antenna here wouldn't go in, so we're going to trim that. We're putting the sub chassis back in.
No need. Watch.
Still gonna have to cut that top corner.
You gotta send this inside first.
Cutting this sub chassis. messy a little bit because the module wouldn't fit in there. And we also trimmed this corner right here because the antenna was hitting it. So you just cut this off. So radio should fit in there now.
Mételo, papi, mételo.
Try it one more time. Make sure the radio comes on. Beautiful. Alright, it works. Alright, let's put this trim on. Ricardo, where's the trim? Hold on. There's the bars.
Yo, man, let my money new, bro. Yo, I cannot do it. If you want, I can go to road to get to.
Alright, let's try.
Wait.
Oh,
Uy.
what did I do? Weather.
Currently in Union, it's 31 degrees and clear. Today, it'll be cloudy, with a forecasted high of 34 and a low of 22.
Work.